Hey everybody, this is a quick video. In case you have a Computime or a SALUS Controls thermostat, this is a VS30W, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's two basic reasons you would want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this thermostat not working or not connecting to your network, or just not following the protocol you set for it, if it's frozen or not responding, anything like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now you will need to set it up again because it will all be restored to its factory out-of-the-box defaults. And that's kind of the second reason that you might want to do this. The second reason is if you're just setting this up in a new location and you just want to get a fresh start and have it back to the way it was when it came out of the box, we can go ahead and do that. All we need to do is we're going to come over to our thermostat with it turned on, and we're going to find the left arrow, the right arrow, and the check button. And we're going to press and hold those three buttons simultaneously for about 5 seconds until we enter the setup menu. Then from the setup menu, it'll say 00, and we can use the up and down arrows to toggle through a bunch of different menu options. Depending on your specific model, you may need to toggle to either 47 or 49, toggling down to 49 or 47. And then once you get there, you'll hit the check mark. Once you hit the check mark, then you will go through and you will select DE space L as the option, which is going to delete everything off of it. And you will again hit the check mark to confirm it. And then you'll see it'll go through several different things where it's deleting everything. It will start back up, show the software volume version, and then finally, when it's finished, it will prompt you with, it'll have HR set the hour. It will prompt you to set the time anew, and it will be a brand new device.